Hey everyone, I'm Kavita and welcome back to my YouTube channel Sparkle Kavi. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute funky pumpkin earrings. You can make them very easily. You don't need any sewing machine or just these are handmade, hand stitched, so you can make them quickly. So let's see how to make these cute pumpkin earrings. You are going to need some orange fabric, scissor, black embroidery thread, orange regular sewing thread, pen or pencil for marking any round object to trace a circle. Here the diameter of this lid is 3.5 inch. You can take any size. Sewing needle, earring hooks, plier and some cotton or polyfill. First, take the round object and draw a circle on the fabric, and then with the help of scissor, cut the circle. Now, take your needle and insert orange thread into the eye of needle and tie a knot at both the ends. Now, take the round fabric with wrong side facing toward you. Start making a running stitch around the entire edge with approximately quarter-inch seam allowance. Once you reach to the end, bring the needle to the opposite side, that is right side of the fabric. Now start pressing the seam inside with your fingers like this along the running stitch. Now start gathering the fabric by pulling the thread slowly while pushing the raw edges inside. Do it like this until it takes a shape of bowl. And now start filling it with polyfill or cotton. Here I am using my leftover batting to fill this bowl. Fill it nicely as much as possible and close it by slowly pulling the thread. At the end, tie a knot, and if you still see a gap, then bring the edges close by making 2-3 stitches. Once you are satisfied, cut the extra thread, and this is how it will look like a ball. Now take a needle with black embroidery thread inserted with a small knot at one end. Now insert your needle in the center and bring it out in such a way that the knot will be hidden inside. Now wrap the thread around the ball once and tie a knot. Wrap the thread little bit tight and wrap it as many times as you want and tie a knot at the end so that they won't move or come out. At the end, cut the extra black thread. Now take your earring hook, open it with the help of plier. Now insert this loop through any one black thread and again close it with the help of plier. And your easy peasy pumpkin earring is ready. In the same way, make the other pair and enjoy. So friends, if you like today's DIY, then do consider subscribing my channel and I will meet you again with more fun soon. Thank you. Bye bye.